How do you keep your external SSD drive cool? I purchased my Mac Mini last year when they first came out. And what happened is, I think it was $6.99 what they was asking for it. But Costco had a sale where it was like $80 off. So since I'm next to Delaware, in Delaware people don't pay taxes, but you pay toll. So I pay $5. And I was able to pay to go and get my Mac Mini from Costco. So that was a good price. But I got the basic. I have my Mac Mini is only 256 gig hard drive. And let me show you. Would that let me do that? Okay, but anyway. So my Mac Mini is M1 2020 with M1 chips, 8 gig RAM, 256 gig hard drive. And Apple wanted, like, I think they charge you $800 for 1 terabyte. So I recently bought a AOC drive. I bought this drive for about $320. This bad boy is fast, just as fast as the internal drive. For that 1 terabyte, $320 is like, I save tons of money comparing to if I was buying it from Apple. But I'm very satisfied. Those SSD drive, those external drive, they get very hot. So my name is Will. So if there's a will, there's a way. So what I did, I found a way to cool off my drive. And this is why I'm making this video. How do you keep an external SSD drive, especially one of those PCI-E drive, cool? Okay? And I was able to put a radiator on this bad boy. And let me show you. All I did was, I went downstairs to the refrigerator. I went and got me a can of Pepsi. So after I drank it, I said, maybe I could use that to keep the drive cool. So what I did, I put an empty can on it. And I touched it, the temperature went off. But after a while, the empty can get a little warm, but it wasn't bad. So look, I have a bunch of cans with soda. So that's what I did. I went and put a can with the soda in it on top of the drive. And boy, that thing is so cool. I wish I had a thermometer. This thing, and especially when I first got the soda, the Pepsi from the refrigerator, the Pepsi was cold. So I put it on top of my drive. Then later on, because the Pepsi didn't stay cold, so the next day and everything, I kept testing to see if the temperature changed. Temperature never changed. Then I realized, listen, man, I don't have to kill myself over that. That means all I need is just to put a can of soda, and then it's going to keep the drive very cool. And it is. And it's running fast. I do a lot of video editing. And during my editing, and I use this external drive as a boot up disk. Even though my computer is connected to a network, and I have about like 10 drives to save my videos. And I'm doing ProRes, I do commercial, I do, you'll be surprised, I even do sport editing. And, so I'm very satisfied with this thing. If you have a Mac Mini, a basic one, AOC Envoy Pro, this Envoy Pro SX, that's the way to go, bro. You can't go wrong with that. And I'm so satisfied because of it, of the speed. And the only thing, like I was telling you, is the temperature. Because I don't like things to be so hot, especially like I'm sitting here and I have all these different, I have so many other computers and monitors around, okay, and I do not like a fan because I was gonna use a fan from old Mac computer, and this can of soda did better than all of them. It's like having a radiator, a big radiator in your car to keep your engine cold. Okay? So next time your SSD drive get too hot, just take a can of soda, hot or cold, and just lay it on top of it. And it would dissipate all the heat in the heat. And believe me, this thing stay cool. Every time I touch it, it's incredible. And my computer is running fast or faster because I use that external drive as my boot up disk. Because I didn't want that internal 256 is for the bird. So I use it to save data. In addition to on my network, I got like at least around like 10 terabytes worth of storage. So I don't have to worry about that. Okay, that's all this video is all about. How do you keep your external SSD drive cool? Now you know. Thank you.